So in case you guys haven't seen one of these, and that's fine, this is a 1995 e36 AMG wagon. So, you know what they say, boys, life is lonely at the top. We got this car in, and somebody had actually cut the wiring harness for the car and decided they were going to splice in their own cable to the crankshaft position sensor and then sort of improvise the crank position sensor. So it runs now. Pretty impressive stuff. But one of the interesting parts of working on an E320 like this is that you get to figure out which wiring harness fits. And actually, if you're using EPC correctly, that shouldn't be too much of a problem. I was amazed to find that this car, first of all, does take a unique harness. It's unique to this specific VIN number. While it's shared with some late production Euro market 124 wagons, because this was originally a non-US car, it has a different ECU. Actually has an HWA ECU in it, if you guys know what that means. And it also has a different pinout. But this worked to my advantage because once we figured out what wiring harness this car took, we were able to ascertain that it was still available, and it actually was not as expensive as a US harness would have been. It's got some vestigial stuff on it. Like, I don't know, maybe somebody could tell me what this connector would have been for, because I'm admittedly not as familiar with the 124 series cars that have this Motronic system as I am with, say, a 500E or 400E or an M104 3-liter engine with KE Jetronic. But once we put the harness in that didn't have an improvised crank position sensor wire, which by the way lives back over here in the abyss, it was a lot easier for us to get this car up and running. So, does it run now? Well, yes it does, thankfully, because it doesn't have that goofy infrared central locking system that has to be coded to the car's security module. So, it's gonna be alive soon. Okay guys,